The new Lynx version 7 media album is a great way to share, store, and archive your project media. You can create an album for the entire project, a date range, or selected media. The system will then create an album which can be put onto a CD, DVD, flash drive, or any other media you choose. Only users with the ability to save can create a media album. To create a media album for the entire project or a date range on the project, just select the project from the Browse Project screen. Next, click on Build Media Album. We can do all media or an entire project, or we can pick whatever date range we want if we want to split it up by month, year, and so on. You can then give the album a name. By default, it'll give the project number and the name of the project. I'm going to go ahead and put in at the end, Entire Project. Name it whatever you want, then click Build, and it'll build the album for you. Once the web server has completed building the album, it'll prompt you to download it. Go ahead and save it wherever you'd like. And now you can see we've created a media album for the entire project. By default, it will download it as a zip file. You can either place the zip file onto your removable media or extract it and then just put the album itself on the removable media. To view the album, just double-click on the index page and it will open up all of the media for this project. This is completely offline, so this can be viewed by anyone using any browser directly from the flash drive, CD, or whatever media you've put this album on. If you double-click on any image, you'll not only see the image, but all of the information off to the left with regards to your captions, notes, search fields, and so forth. You can hide the media information and just go back and forth in full screen mode. And if you want to see the information, just expand it back out. So in this case, we've got a media album for the entire project. You can also query and filter down through your media any way that you would want. For example, let's say I only want to look at the site work. So there it automatically filters it. So now we're just looking at the site work, and we could take it a step further and also view it by any date range that we want. So this is extremely valuable and handy as an exact as-built that you can turn over to a client, or for your own long-term archive purposes, something that you can store, and this way you've always got a complete record of all of your media, and it's available offline to anyone, anywhere that you choose. The second type of media album would be just selected media. So I can open up the project. Let's say I only want to create a media album for just these 4 or 5 photos. Just select the images, video, audio, whatever media you want. Choose Build Album, give it a name, and build. So now if we double click, you can see I've created just a media album for only those 5 photos. You can also build a media album based off any query. So if I wanted to build an album just for site work, I would just run a query. In this case, I only want to look at type of work, site work. Run my query. That filters it all down. Now I can again select either individually or a range of media, or select all site work media, build an album, build, and download. So this album, if we double click on it, is just for the site work. So media albums are a great way to give an exact visual as-built to a client, and again for long-term archive and storage for your purposes. If you'd like to see other new features and enhancements in Lynx version 7, please visit our website or contact us at sales@lynxpm.com, and we'd be happy to send you over a link to a What's New video for version 7.1. Thank you for watching.